Welcome back everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 2095, delete the middle node of a linked list. So we're given the head of a linked list, we need to delete the middle node and return the head of the modified list. So example 1, they give us a linked list of 1, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, and 6, and they want us to delete 7. So how are we going to solve this? We are going to initially loop through our list. We're going to get the length of the list, and then we will find the midpoint, and then we will loop through the list again until we are one below our midpoint, and then all we have to do is set this node's next pointer equal to the .next. So let's do this. We'll say current is going to be equal to the head, and we will set a length variable, and we will initialize it to 0. Let's loop through our list while current is not none. We will increment our length by 1 and set current equal to current.next. So let's print out our length so far. And we do have 7, which is indeed what we need for example 1. So we will set our middle pointer equal to the length floored by 2 to get that middle node. Now, to avoid some test cases, let's create a dummy node. It will have an initial value of none, and we will set this node pointing to the head node. Okay, so now we need another pointer. We will call it current, and it will be pointing to our dummy node. Now we have to re-loop through our list until we are at the 4 node, right? So while current is not none, we will say current equals current.next, and we will say middle minus equals 1. And we should actually loop through while middle is not equal to 0, right? Because that's how we're going to keep track of where we're at. So once we've done that, we should be able to print out the node we are at, and we should be at 4. So let's see where we're at. And yep, we are indeed at 4. So now what? Now all we have to do is just set the current node's .next pointer equal to the current node's .next pointer. And then since we added this dummy node onto the beginning of our linked list, we have to return the dummy.next node. So let's return dummy.next, and that should be it. So let's get rid of some spaces and run this. And we do pass all 3 test cases, so let's submit. Perfect. So time and space complexity. Time complexity is going to be O of n. We're looping through our list, and space complexity is going to be O of 1. We're not creating any new data structures to solve this problem. Alright, that'll do it for LeetCode 2095.